Well, I hate advertising as it is done now. I hate traditional advertising, the one who just push us to consume. I hate advertising who's got no creativity. I hate advertising that is conditioned by managers and marketing research and all that nonsense. I think advertising is just a waste of incredible time on television, waste of space on the wall, waste on pages on magazine. And so I think that we should do something about.
I think that shock tactics in the case of Benetton are unfortunate. I think that it's just trying to get your attention, and there's no end to it. I mean, it's just, it's as though you're walking down the street and a stranger comes up and grabs you, you know, and you might not want to be grabbed by a stranger, and you may not want to pay attention to him.
Provocation is a duty of an artist to provoke. Art has always been based on provocation, good art, especially avant-garde. And it's very strange that painting did provoke, sculpture, movie, theater, and now they don't provoke anymore. And the provocation comes from a very strange media, which is called advertising. So I find very strange that the voice of capitalism, the voice of consumerism, provokes. A lot of people need to be shocked to understand. Some people, you know, most of the people who get shocked is because they don't want to understand. So they get shocked because they finally understand, and understanding provokes shock. We need a lot of shock right now. Well, my favorite is the newborn baby. But, you know, every country reacts in a different way with a different picture. Of course, Germany reacts badly with a war image. And the British don't like the newborn baby because in England, they prefer puppies to children. And then in Italy, of course, the priest kissing the nun was a big scandal. So every country has got its religion, education, moral sensitivity. So you can't please everybody. And if you want to please really somebody, probably you offend somebody else. I got the opportunity through a fantastic media to express myself. Somebody's giving me the opportunity, and that's what I do. This is my responsibility. And people hate me, condemn me, because I'm doing seriously what is my responsibility. The German Federal Court condemned it because I take my job seriously and not doing all the bullshit that they like to see.